In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix 5-sex errors on Wix, also known as server errors. These types of errors can be frustrating and often disrupt the smooth functioning of your website. Whether you're trying to access your site or experiencing interruptions, understanding how to resolve these issues can save you time and reduce downtime. Let's walk through a simple guide that will help you address these errors effectively. First, we're going to start by digging into your browser settings. Open up the browser you typically use to access your Wix site. Each browser, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or others, will have its own way of presenting settings, but the general steps are quite similar. Look for an icon or option, usually represented by 3 dots or lines, in the top right corner of the browser. Clicking on this should open up a menu where you'll find an option labeled Settings or Options. Once you are in the Settings menu, the next step is to locate the section where you can manage and clear your browsing data. This is crucial because old cache and cookies can sometimes cause these 5-text errors by storing outdated information about your website. You'll typically find this option under a privacy and security section. Look for something labeled Clear Browsing Data or Clear Cache and Cookies. After finding the appropriate section, you'll want to clear your browser's cache and cookies. Make sure to check the boxes for cache and cookies and ensure you are selecting the time range that covers all time to thoroughly clear out any data that could be contributing to the problem. Don't worry, this action won't delete any of your bookmarks or saved passwords, but is a necessary step in ensuring that no old data is interfering with your current browsing session and causing these errors. Once you've successfully cleared the data, return to your Wix website and try accessing it again. This is a critical step as it checks to see if clearing the cache data has resolved the 5xx error. Remember, these errors can sometimes occur on the server side due to maintenance or other issues, but clearing your cache is a quick troubleshooting step that often resolves minor glitches. If the error persists even after this, it may be a server-side issue, and you'll need to contact Wix support for further assistance. But often, simply clearing your browsing data can solve the issue, allowing you to resume work on your site with minimal disruption. This simple intervention not only helps fix current problems, but also prevents potential ones by ensuring your browser is fetching the latest version of your site. By following these steps, you now have a practical method to troubleshoot and possibly fix 5-sex errors on Wix, contributing positively to better management of your site and a smoother browsing experience for users.